You have 1, 2, 3 surprise boxes.
I can't open it. Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Phoebe, let's make slime today. Yay! What color should we do? Blue, like the color of the sky. Great! And yellow, like the color of the sun. Oh, perfect! Oh, wait, what was that?
Good luck getting to your slime now! Ha ha ha!
Oh no, Fizzy! This is a disaster! Don't worry, Phoebe. We just need to open each box. I'll open the first one. Let me try again. I can't open it. This is strange. It's like a force field. Let me try. Oh no, Fizzy. We just need someone who can get past these strange powers. Spidey!
Hey guys, how can I help?
Spidey, we need to open these boxes.
Don't worry, I can just swing right past them.
He did it! Good job! Now we just need to get these boxes open.
I think I'll call in some friends for some extra help. Hulk! Go Spider! I need you! Hey Hulk, could you smash that force field for us?
Hulk smash!
Good job, Hulk! Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Hey, Spidey and Friends. Whoa, this is awesome. You have 1, 2, 3 surprise boxes.
Let's open them.
Okay, Phoebe. Let's open the first surprise box, and it seems to be this green one with a picture of Hulk on it.
Hulk smash!
Hey, thanks, Hulk. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, we have magic liquid. I love this. I'm going to set it to one side, and we'll see what's in the next box.
Can we open my box next?
Sure thing, Spidey. Let's see what's in your box. Haha, we have a bottle of clear glue. Oh, hi there, Spidey. And red food coloring.
Wow, red! That's my favorite color!
Oh, red is a great color, Spidey. Let's see what's in Ghost Spider's box.
Yay, my turn!
All right, here we go. And in here we have... Hey, Spidey, look at that. We have more red. We have red glitter.
Your slime will look awesome!
Yay! I can't wait!
So let's make our mixture. We're going to need a bowl and a spoon. And our first ingredient is the clear glue. In we go. Ooh, that's probably about right. And we're going to add our red food coloring. Just a few drops, I think. And let's give this a little bit of a stir. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Look at that. And it's red. We stir it round and round. And now some magical liquid to create our slime. And we have to stir and stir this round. Ooh, can you see it starting to get thick? Scoop all those bits. Look at that. It's all stringy. It's getting thicker. You see it's less stringy? It's just stretching now. Look at that. And I think our slime is ready. Look at that. Whoa, look. It's stuck to the spoon. Let's give it a stretch. And stretchy slime. I think it's time we stretched it out of the bowl. Let's lose that. There we go. Now for the fun part. The super fun part where we add our red glitter to our red slime. Look at that. And here we stretch it over and mix it all in. Can you see the sparkles in there? I can see them. Woo! It's almost like a web. And when I say it's like a web, whose web is it like? It's like Spidey's web.
Wow, this is so cool. Oh no, what happened?
Green Goblin has taken our red slime and all of our ingredients.
This is a disaster!
Hope so.
It's okay. We just need a solution. Here, I'll use my web to get our ingredients back. We just need to remake it.
And we can make it better this time.
Let's get to work.
Here you go, Miss Hands. Look, it's blue, like you, Fizzy.
I love it.
Thank you, Hulk. Here we go. Let's start with our blue fizzy glue. Into our bowl. We give it a good squeeze. Then we add our magic liquid to make the blue slime. And we start to stir. Stirring it all the way around. Get all those bits in there. Now we don't have much time. The Green Goblin could be coming back.
I can help with my magic. Look, Miss Hands. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Oh, thanks, Fizzy. Let's give this a stretch. It's perfect. Look at that. Stretchy and ever so slightly sticky. Okay, let's put this on the board and we can add our red glitter. Here we go. I'm gonna put some more. And stretchy, look at that! Look how stretchy that is! And squish. Just gotta keep squishing it in our hands. We need more red, I hear you say. Okay. And we squish it all in. Now you can see the red in there. Red and blue is so good together. See that sparkle? Look at that sparkle.
This is so cool, Miss Hands.
It's so stretchy. It's awesome.
We need to protect it from Green Goblin. He could be back at any moment. Quick, we've got to do something.
I've got this. Phoebe, weeby, bo, busy, bop.
It worked for you this time, but you won't be so lucky next time.
I did it! You did, Phoebe. We all did.
As a team. Always.
Yeah!
And look at the slime you made. It's so stretchy. It's so sparkly.
I love it!
Let's hope that's the last we hear of Green Goblin. Either way, we have great friends and we make an amazing team.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.